Wattsan is about challenging imitations and driving improvements. We improve the CNC machines and by extension our clients' businesses. These are not just words. Our CO2 laser machine alone have received over 150 updates. Today, we have clients in more than 50 countries across all 7 continents, and our machines are even operating in Antarctica. We are now seeking dealers who will become a true extension of our brand and our missions. Our dealers receive the comprehensive support across every facet of their business. This includes the sales, marketing, technical training and service, logistics, and payment processing. We will provide a dedicated personal manager, all new leads from manager, and all new leads from your region, plus ownership of returning customers and their service needs. Pre-prepare the script for sales and exhibition scenarios. Equipment for your demo room at a 30 to 50% discount. On-site training sessions from factory engineers complemented by online technical support. Comprehensive manuals and all necessary certifications, verified global delivery methods and assistance with customs clearance, and much more. We have a successful partner who can attest to a value of our cooperation.
10 years of successful cooperation would not be possible without their human approach. When working with Wattsan, you can be confident in the immaculate quality of the machines. Everything is done with European safety standards in mind, which is crucial for us.
Working with Wattsan is more than just being a dealer. It's a true partnership and shared growth. Customer trust is what matters most, and with Wattsan machines, we're always confident. Thousands of clients are already working with Wattsan equipment.
So why partner with us? There is a growing global demand of quality and original manufacturing, and Wattsan is ready to meet it. We are an in-house production company with our factory located in Jinan, China. We operate our own R&D lab, where our engineers continuously improve the machines based on rigorous testing and feedback from our clients. Furthermore, we partner with well-known global leaders in the assembly parts industry. It is the combination of the top-tier components with the optimal design and integration that ensure the peak operational efficiency. Additionally, our engineers can customize the equipment to meet the specific demands of your market. Whether you need a machine with 4 spindles for mass production or unique working bed size to match the local material standards, we can deliver. So, grow with us. We offer 2 programs to choose from. Basic program, start with the minimum investment to explore the market and understand your customers. This program is designed for an easy market entry. We will provide you with the leads from your region, offer the recommendations on the logistic and shipment methods, and supply a competitor analysis. Prime program, start at a larger scale and claim the market by gaining the exclusive rights to our products in your region. This includes an expanded competitor analysis, a full set of marketing instruments, financial support from our side, and the possibility to customize the machine for your market needs. You will receive all leads and become the exclusive Wattsan representative in your territory. Follow the link in the description to join us. This simple application can pave your path to success.